In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. So I often do this, as you can see right here in my PayPal, minus 67 euros to Revolut. And here's how you can do this. So first just go and open up the PayPal app and then click on Wallet in the bottom right. From here, just click on your PayPal balance. Now here, go and click on Transfer, then click on Transfer to Bank. Now here you can see I already have my Revolut account, but you probably won't have it yet, so just click on plus in the top right. Then here click on link a bank account. And now as you can see, here are popular banks from my country, but Revolut is not in this list. If it is in here for you, just go and click on Revolut. If it isn't, just search for Revolut and it will say nothing shows up. So after clicking on enter your bank details, first just select the country of your bank account and then enter the IBAN. Now I'll show you right now how you can find this. So just go and open up the Revolut app. Then click on your initials in the top left. Then from here, what you want to go and do is click on account. Then here click account details. And here select the currency that you want to deposit in. For me, this is euro. And now here I can see all the details I need. So I can see the address is the Netherlands. So that's what I will need to enter as the country. And I can go and copy my IBAN right here. Then go back to PayPal and just paste it in here and then click add bank account. And now you will see you link to your bank. You can now transfer money from your PayPal balance to this bank account. So to actually do that, just go back to your wallet right here, then click on your balance, then click on transfer, then here click transfer to bank. And then Revolut should show up right here. And then you have standard, which is free, and instant, which is a 1% fee. So just pick whichever one you want. So after entering how much you want to withdraw right here, then just go and confirm it. And then it will show up on your Revolut account. So now you know how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.